Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at the Flex tool. The Flex tool can be used to change the tempo of audio files within your project. So you may be used to the fact if you've got a MIDI channel and you change the BPM of the overall product, it will change the MIDI channel accordingly, but then it won't actually change the tempo of the audio file. So Logic Pro has a Flex control which allows you to sort of change the tempo of individual tracks without actually affecting the pitch. So it's like a time stretching algorithm. To enable this, we have a little signal there which looks like a sort of a figure of 8, or looks more like a sand clock. And if we click on that, this puts us into sort of flex mode. So this is the show hide flex track. Once you enable that, you will see that we get this little drop down box which is associated with each track, and each one's monophonic. So if we click on that, we'll see that we have various algorithms that we can use for enabling flex mode on each individual track. And it's useful to do it on an individual track because if this is a rhythmic track, we might want to use the rhythmic mode. If it's a sort of a piano or a guitar track with multiple frequencies, we would use the polyphonic. And then if it's something like a bass, we may use the monophonic flex time for that. So there's several different algorithms for changing. You just need to sort of have a play around and have a look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up these with, so the guitar would be a polyphonic, backing vocals, that would be polyphonic, a bass will keep as monophonic, lead guitar we'll say polyphonic, our percussion would be rhythmic, vocals polyphonic, and then the kick rhythmic, and the snare rhythmic for that. So once I've enabled that, let's play it back. Swim with the dolphins, like Jack. Take it back. So if we put in flex time now, if we change the tempo of the project, we'll make it a little bit faster. The tempo of the audio files is changed to be this tempo, but the pitch will be the same as before. Like Jack Cousteau, in the end of the evening, and then we could do the opposite of that and make it very slow. Real big fish disco, because obviously the more extreme you make it, there will be sort of errors which are detected in there. So that's the Flex tool.